Welcome back to Luxmotive Auto, the ultimate destination for premium car reviews where luxury meets performance and design speaks for itself. Today we're diving into the stunning new 2025 Volvo S90, a luxury sedan that doesn't scream for attention but demands it in the most refined way possible. Whether you're looking for Scandinavian elegance, top-tier comfort, or cutting-edge technology, the S90 delivers it all without breaking a sweat. Asterisk right from the start. The 2025 Volvo S90 impresses with its minimalist yet commanding exterior design. Volvo continues its legacy of sleek sophistication, and this latest model enhances those clean lines and timeless proportions. At the front, you'll immediately notice the iconic Thor's Hammer LED headlights, which now have a sharper and more futuristic look. The redesigned grille gives the sedan a wider stance, while the lower bumper integrates sleek air inlets for a sportier edge. The silhouette remains elongated and graceful, with a long wheelbase that hints at the generous cabin space inside. At the rear, the signature vertical taillights are more angular and adaptive, offering dynamic lighting effects and making a strong impression on the road, day or night. Asterisks slide into the cabin, and the real magic begins. The interior of the 2025 S90 is where Scandinavian luxury truly shines. Volvo has gone above and beyond with premium materials like soft nappa leather, genuine wood trims, and brushed metal accents. The dashboard is ultra clean, with most physical buttons eliminated in favor of a vertically oriented 14.5-inch touchscreen running Volvo's latest Google-based infotainment system. Everything is intuitively laid out, from navigation to media to climate controls, all integrated with Google Assistant, Google Maps, and even the Play Store. Voice commands are accurate, the response is lightning fast, and the display is crisp and modern. Asterisk. The 12.3-inch digital driver display is customizable and now includes augmented reality navigation overlays, giving you live turn-by-turn directions overlaid on the screen. The head-up display is also sharper and more dynamic, adapting to your speed, driving mode, and road conditions. Every part of the interior feels serene and meticulously engineered. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin, along with a 19-speaker Bowers and Wilkins sound system, transforms every journey into a luxurious escape. Asterisk comfort is on another level, especially in the rear seats. With the extended wheelbase, the 2025 S90 offers rear passengers limo-like legroom. The seats are heated, ventilated, and even come with a massage function, something you typically expect in a much more expensive flagship sedan. The rear sunshades, quad-zone climate control, and rear touchscreen panel for adjusting seat position and media settings all contribute to an ultra-premium experience. Asterisk when it comes to performance. Volvo gives you options without sacrificing sustainability. The 2025 S90 comes with a refined plug-in hybrid powertrain that pairs a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor. Combined, they produce around 455 horsepower and 523 pounds-ft of torque. The acceleration is effortless, taking you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4.6 seconds. But it's not just about speed. The S90 handles with grace. The adaptive air suspension smooths out bumps and enhances stability, making both city drives and highway cruising feel like gliding on silk. Asterisk one of the standout features is its all-electric range of up to 50 miles, which is more than enough for most daily commutes. Charge it overnight and you're good to go, emission-free for your morning routine. It's the perfect balance of power and responsibility, especially for those who want to reduce their carbon footprint without compromising on luxury. Asterisk safety, as always with Volvo, is paramount. The 2025 S90 includes the most advanced suite of safety and driver assistance features Volvo has ever offered. There's Pilot Assist 2.0 with semi-autonomous lane keeping and adaptive cruise control, emergency evasive steering assist, traffic sign recognition, blind spot detection with steering correction, and a new interior radar system that monitors for children or pets left inside the vehicle. It's one of the few cars that truly feels like it has your back. No matter the driving conditions. Volvo also emphasizes digital integration with their Volvo app, which gives you remote access to your vehicle, charging status, climate control, and even a digital key feature. It's clear that Volvo is not only thinking about the present but planning for a future where convenience, connectivity, and sustainability are all seamlessly connected. In terms of pricing, the 2025 S90 starts at around $59,000 for the base plug-in hybrid model and goes up to nearly $75,000 for the fully loaded Inscription Ultimate trim. Given what you get in terms of design, luxury, tech, and performance, the S90 offers immense value against rivals like the Mercedes E-Class, BMW 5 Series, and Audi A6 *. So who is the 2025 Volvo S90 really for? It's for the driver who appreciates quiet luxury, the one who doesn't need to shout but still wants to be noticed. It's for the tech-savvy professional who wants seamless Google integration. And it's for the environmentally conscious buyer who refuses to give up performance or comfort. This isn't just a sedan, it's a modern expression of refined living on four wheels. If you're in the market for a luxury sedan that checks all the right boxes without being cliché, the 2025 Volvo S90 should be right at the top of your list. Elegant, powerful, smart, and sustainable, this is Scandinavian excellence redefined for the modern era. Thanks for watching today's in-depth review on Luxmotive Auto. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more high-end automotive content just like this. See you in the next one.